Okay, hi everyone. Here's your Saxon Lesson 34. We are mainly focusing on the floss rule today. All right, let's look at alphabetizing process. We talked about this a little bit yesterday. In word work, you were supposed to alphabetize your spelling words. That means put them in ABC order. So I kind of talked to some of you guys about how ABC order means you're looking at the words and the letters in the words. You look at the first letter first, and all the letters that start with A go first, and then B, C, D, E, F, G, so on and so forth, okay? I am going to go ahead and do this with you today with your spelling words. So if you didn't get a chance to do it yesterday in word work, you need to take out your word work notebook right now and you need to write them down with me, okay? So just open up to the next blank page in your word work notebook, take out your spelling words. Okay, my onliners, you need to do the same. So you're going to take out a notebook piece of paper and you're going to number that paper 1 to 20. The reason we number it 1 to 20 is because we have 20 spelling words. So there's going to be 20 words, okay? So we are going to number your paper 1 to 20. If you need a minute to do that, you can pause the video now. Okay, once you have your paper numbered 1 to 20 and you have your spelling word list 6 with you, we're going to start putting it in ABC order. So looking at spelling word list 6, we're going to start looking for the word that starts with the letter A. Do we have any words that start with the letter A? No, we do not. Let's keep going. How about B? Nope, no B's. C? Yes, we have 2 C's. We have cash and we have cactus. We have cash and we have cactus. Well, if they both start with a C, then we need to look at the second letter. Cash has an A at the second letter, and cactus also has an A on the second letter. So now we need to look at the third letter. Cactus has a C on the third letter, and cash has an S on the third letter. What comes first, C or S? C comes first, so you're going to write cactus and then cash. So for number 1, you're going to write cactus. Number 2, you're going to write cash. And then you're going to check those off on your paper. Cactus, and you're going to check off cash. So your paper should look like this so far. Okay, so we said we have cash, we have cactus, and right now as I'm looking, I just noticed that there's another word with a C. That's number 5, chick. Chick starts with a C, and we forgot to write that one down. Now chick would be the third C that we're going to write down because the second letter is H. The second letter is A, and A comes before H, but C would be the next one. So we would write chick for number 3. So you're going to write C-H-I-C-K, chick for number 3. And then we're going to check off chick so we know that we already used that one. So it's going to look like that. All right, moving on. Number 4, A-B-C. Let's look here. A-B-C. Is there any D's? No. A-B-C-D. Sorry, I'm trying to make the paper as straight as I can. A-B-C-D-E. Are there any E's? No. F. Yes, there's quite a few F's. We have fifth, and actually there's only one F, fifth. So number 7, fifth. So we're going to write fifth for number 4. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. And then you can check it off your spelling word paper. All right, let's look number 5. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Are there any G's? No. H? No. I? Yep, there's index. Index. So for number 5, you're going to write index. I-N-D-E-X. Looks like this. So your paper should look like this so far. 5 is index. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Oh no, I just noticed that there's another C, contest. Ugh, oh no. So contest starts with, it has an O. Now, are we going to write it before chick or after chick? What comes first, H or O? H comes first. So it's chick and then contest and then fifth. So, sorry, thank goodness you're using pencil. So actually number 4 should have been contest, 5 should have been fifth, and 6 is index. So it looks like this. Cactus, cash, chick, contest, fifth, index. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Now J. Is there any J's? Nope. K. Nope. L. Nope. M. L, M. Nope. N. No. Oh, actually there is an M. Math. So after index comes math. L, M. N, nope, N-O, no, P, yep, there's a lot of P's. There's pinch, there's print, there's 2. So we have pinch and print. So they both start with a P, so what do? We look at the second letter. Print has an R on the second letter and pinch has an I. What comes first, R or I? I comes first. So the next word we're going to write down is pinch. So number 8, we're going to write pinch, P-I-N-C-H. And then for number 9, we're going to write print, P-R-I-N-T, print. So now your paper should look like this. Okay, moving on. L-M-N-O-P, Q. Are there any Q's? Nope. R, Q, R, nope. S, yep, there's a lot of S's. We have shelf, shut, stack, smack, stump. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 S's. So what do, Miss Yusuf? We look at the second letter. H, T, M, or T comes first. H comes before T and it also comes before M. So I know the next word is either going to be shelf or shut. Now, Miss Yusuf, shelf and shut both have SH. What do? We look at the third letter. Shelf has E on the third letter and shut has a U on the third letter. So what comes first, E or U? E comes first. So the first S word we're going to write is going to be shelf. S-H-E-L-F. And that's for number 10. Number 11 would be shut. And then we have T, we have stack, stump, and smack. What comes first, T or M? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So M comes first. So smack would be number 12. Now, let's see. Now we have stack and stump. Stack, the third letter is A. A comes before you. So the next word is stack, S-T-A-C-K. And then number 14, the last S word is stump, S-T-U-M-P. Okay, L-M-N-O-P-Q-R-S. Let's look at T. We have this. We have twin, we have trot. We have 3 T's. This, twin, trot. So let's see. T-H, T-W, or T-R. Which one would go first? This, T-H. Very good. So for 15, you're going to write this. For 16, you're going to write trot. Trot. And for 17, you're going to write twin. Q-R-S-T, now U. U comes next. Do we have any U's? Yes, we have 2 U's. We have upset and until. What comes first, P or N? N comes first. So the first one will be until. U-N-T-I-L is 18. And then 20 would be 19 would be upset. upset, U-P-S-E-T. And then the last one, number 20, would be vest, V-E-S-T. And you're done. And your paper should look like this. It should be in this order. Cactus, cash, chick, contest, fifth index, math, pinch, print, shelf, shut, smack, stack, stump, this, trot, twin, until, upset, vest. So if you need more time writing this down, you can pause the video now. Okay. So that was just a quick review for ABC order. I wanted to teach it to you yesterday as a whole class, but I didn't get time. Plus, my onliners needed to learn it as well. So I thought I would just include it in our Saxon video for today. Okay, let's move on. Let's go over our letter cards, picture cards, and sight word cards. So we will start with our letter cards. You ready? Here we go. You will say them. I will show you. Diagraph CK. Diagraph TH. Diagraph CH. Combination ER. Combination IR. Combination UR. Combination QU. Combination AR. Combination OR. Combination WH. Very good. All right. Moving on. Those are letter cards. Picture cards. Okay, repeat after me. We're going to, or actually, no, I'm going to keep those there. Okay, here we go. Apple, A. Acorn, A. Elephant, E. Equal, E. Inch, I. Icicle, I. Octopus, A. Overalls, O. Umbrella, A. Unicorn, U. Balloon, B. Cat, K. Dog, D. Fish, F. Goat, G. Hat, H. Jar, J. Kite, K. Lion, L. Monkey, M. Nest, N. Pig, P. Rabbit, Sun, S. Tent, T. Vest, V. Wagon, W. Yarn, Y. Zebra, Z. Fox, X. Duck, K. Feather, Z. Thimble, Th. Shark, Sh. Cheese, Ch. Anchor, K. Chef, Sh. Rose, Z. Butter, Bird, Turtle, Quilt, Qu. Star, R. Dollar, Horse, Doctor, Worm, Whale, W. Very good. All right. Now, last but not least is our sight word cards. All right. Sight word cards. You ready? Read them. Good job. All right. Now let's do our affix cards. Affix cards are the suffixes that we went over, okay? So we had suffix S. You have to say suffix S. Suffix less. Suffix ing. Suffix ed. Very good. Suffix ed. I guess I should have said suffix ed. All right, moving on. Okay, so you are going to need your spelling high frequency word practice 34. So I'm going to ask you to go ahead and take that out. Miss Selena, if you can pass this out, it's in the pink basket, or whoever's in here, if you can pass it out, it's in the pink basket under Saxon Lesson 34. Okay, moving on. Let's go ahead and start. So next to number 1, I want you to write the word sanded. Sanded. How do you spell sanded? S-A-N-D-E-D. Next to number 2, I want you to write the word barn. Barn. B-A-R-N. Excellent. Next to number 3, I want you to write the word form. Form. F-O-R-M. Form. Excellent job. Okay, moving on. All right, sorry. Moving on. Next to number 4, we're going to practice spelling some sight words for 4, 5, and 6. Next to number 4, I want you to spell the word something. Something. All right, how do we spell it? S-O-M-E-T-H-I-N-G. Something. I'll show you my paper when we're done if I'm going too fast, and then you can pause the video and write it down, okay? Number 5, spell the word there. We are going there. There. Okay, how do we spell it? T-H-E-R-E. Very good. All right, and last. Number 6, spell the word were. Were you there? Were. How do you spell it? W-E-R-E. Excellent job. All right. Your paper should look like this so far. Yes, the bottom is blank because we have not done it. If you need to pause your video, pause the video now. Okay, moving on. All right, before we begin today, let's review what a syllable is. A syllable is a word or part of a word that has one vowel sound. So we have different syllables. I am going to show you some letters. Who can give me a one-syllable word that has a short vowel sound followed by the S, F, or O sound in the final position? So who can give me a word with a one-syllable sound followed by the S or O sound in the final position? So for we have words like stiff, off, sniff, right? Those all have the F sound in the final position. How about the O in the final position? We have smell, fill, doll, the S in the final position, boss, mess, brass. Sight words, we have rough, cough, gas, bus. Let's look at the words in the first 3 columns. What do you notice that's alike in all of these words? And those are these words. So what's the same in all of the final position words? They all end with an FF. Very good. All the words end with double consonants, FF, LL, or SS. All words are one-syllable sounds. All of the words have a short vowel sounds, and all of the words are root words. There is a very special rule that we are going to learn today. Whatever you do not tell your older brother and sister about this rule, or they will think you are too smart. The rule we're going to learn today is called the floss rule. Who can tell me how the word floss is similar to these other words? Floss ends in SS. Very good. We're going to learn a new rule today that explains how to spell words like these. This rule tells us that when a one-syllable root word has a short vowel sound followed by the sound O, or S. That sounds are usually spelled FF, LL, or SS. We call words that follow this rule floss words. The word floss helps us remember this rule because it is also one syllable. It has a short vowel sound. It is a root word, and it contains 3 letters that double on the end of floss word. I'm going to hang this rule card so you can refer to it whenever you need it. Okay? So I am going to hang this up right now in the classroom, right here. Floss rule. Okay. Let's see. So let's get out your spelling high frequency word practice sheets again. Let's look back at that. We are going to practice spelling some new words and sounds. Make sure you are working on the side with the name line on it. So that's this side. That has his name on it. Okay. All right. Today we learned that the final F sound will be spelled FF in floss words. So what do you think our new spelling response will be for the final spelling response would probably be F final FF. That's right. You'll say F final FF, which you write like this. So write this on number 7. You're going to write F final FF. Looks like this. F final, those 2 lines right here, that means final position. So F final position FF. Okay? All right. Next to number 8, you will find some words that end in a single F, like the words golf, mischief, but these are not floss words. All right, anyway, moving on. Number 8, I want you to write, you're going to write L final LL. L final LL. That looks like this. L final LL. Next to number 9, you're going to write S final SS. S final SS. Remember, final is the 2 lines. So that's how it should look. Now we're going to practice spelling some words that have the spelling rule. So next to number 10, you're going to write the word gruff, like the billy goat gruff. How do you spell it? G-R-U-F-F. Looks like this. Next to number 11, you're going to write the word spill. Spill. How do you spell it? S-P-I-L-L. Next to number 12, you're going to write the word dress. D-R-E-S-S. Looks just like that. Okay? All right. Now, what you're going to do is you are going to write 2 sentences using one of your sight words. Okay? 2 sentences. Each sentence needs at least one of the sight words. It could be something, there, were. Okay? Those are the sight words. Make sure when you write a sentence, you begin with a capital letter and you end either with a period, a question mark, or an exclamation point. All right. Yeah, that's basically it. Okay. And then on the back, what you're going to do is you're going to read these words and then you're going to write them down one time next to the word, okay? Just like we have been doing. On the lines, what you're going to do is I want you to write a story. A story. You're going to make up a story. It could be anything. It could be a silly story. Any story, and you're going to use at least 4 of these high frequency words. So you're going to use 4 of the words from this box in your story, okay? 4 of the words in your story. Okay. And then when you're done, you're going to highlight the words you used inside of your story. I know you guys like to use that highlighter, so you can do that when you're done writing your story. Make sure in your story you have periods at the end of a sentence and your first letter in the sentence is capital. Some of you guys have a hard time with that. It's very important that you do that. Okay. All right. Now, when you're done, what you're going to do is you're going to get your worksheet 34 and homework 34. After the milk spilled on the carpet was a big mess. What spilled on the carpet? You have to write down what spilled on the carpet. What spilled on the carpet? The milk. Okay, so it's very easy. It's just little phrases, and then you have to answer the question about the phrase. Same thing on the back. I do want you to answer it in a complete sentence, though. So you're going to say, the milk spilled on the carpet. You're not just going to say the milk. Okay? All right, and you're going to do that for the front and the back. All right, guys, have fun learning. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.